Are you struggling to onboard new users very effectively and keep them engaged with your app? Welcome to Appcues, the ultimate platform for creating amazing user onboarding experience without writing a single line of code. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing the word here. Whether you're a product manager, marketer, or developer, Appcues helps you design personalized onboarding flow, in-app messages, and surveys that guide users and boost retention. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how you can use Appcues to create an engaging user onboarding experience that deliver results. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Appcues design onboarding flows and segment with your audience and analyze performance metrics. So, first of all, you have to just go to Google, search for Appcues, click on here, and on the top right side corner, you can just go and click on start free. But before that, let's go and check the pricing here. It gives you two pricing. The first one is a start that is a $300 per month. Second one is a $750 per month here. But if you increase the users, right, MAUs, now here you can see the prices increases too, right? So it's completely up to you. You can just come here and engage into this, and you will get much more information here. Now click on start free here. Now, once you're here, you can use your working email or SSL. I will just use a Google for Work. Now here you have to enter your name. So I'll just write here my name here, your role. So select your role. I'm into the marketing. How do you hear about us? So I'll just write here YouTube. Click on complete sign up. Now this is the dashboard, but for those who don't know what Appcues is, so Appcues is a no-code platform designed to help businesses improve user onboarding and engagement. So it's a no-code editor, there's a personalization, analytics dashboard, integration, A/B testing, and there's a lot more, right? It is trusted by companies like Shopify, Canva, and Atlassian. So it's a beginner-friendly interface with extensive documentations and support. So as you can see here, we have a 14 days free trial. So very first thing is that in order to publish live experience to a user, you have to install Appcues directly into your code base. Now don't worry, it's super easy. So you have to just go and click on it. Now if you have a website, you can also use in the website. Just go and click on install, right? Now it will give you a setup code, which you have to just copy this code. And here it says that place the following code snippet at the top of the document, right? So you have to follow this and you can just paste this, right? So I'll just go and click on next. Now here select the framework. Let's say it is made on Python here or PHP. So select on it and click on next. Now here you can just install this SDK, right? And it's really easy thing to do. And if you have any issue, just let me know in the comment box. I will help you with it. Or you can just talk to Appcues and they will help you know how you can just copy and paste accordingly. And if you have a developer in your team, it's pretty much easy because he will understand at the first time once he look into this, right? And this is how you can install it, right? And if you somehow, if you don't get this option here, you can just go to the settings, right? Inside the settings, apps and installation, you will get it. Now let's check about the mobile application. So let's say my application is Filex here. Type, let's say, is iOS or Android. Let's say iOS, and just go and click on save. Now you can see here new section will open. So here you have to click on configure. Now enter your developer team ID, app bundle identifier, APN keys, right? And once you fill up all this information, automatically it will get installed. Now let's come back to the dashboard here. This is my profile. Let's go back. Obviously you can edit it. Now this is the exact dashboard, right? Now on the left side you will see workflows, messaging, audience, and matrix. Now inside messaging you will find a lot of options here, right? So the setup process is very straightforward even for beginners, and ensure you're ready to start designing onboarding. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into the designing user onboarding flows here. So you can just go and click on create flow. Now here you have to select this application, whether it's a website or whether it's a mobile application. So I will select your mobile application here. Now what's a flow type, whether it's a models or tooltips, and whether it's embedded. For those who don't know what's the difference between models and tooltips and embeds. So embedded components refers to UI elements or content that are integrated directly into the main layout of a web page or application. These components are a part of the page structure and are visible without requiring any additional interaction. Now, the models and tooltips is a UI elements that appears on top of main content, temporarily interrupting the user workflow to focus their attention on a specific task or message. It typically requires user interaction to dismiss it, right? Now here you have to just write the flow name here. So I will just write here flow one. Now here you have to tag it. Not unnecessary, but you can see here. Let's say it's a user survey, and let's just go and click on create. Now it will just give you some of the templates, right? Now here you can just go and click on start from scratch, or let's say this is an announcement or call to action. So let's see here call to action here, right? And this is the exact element, and you can just edit this out, right? Now you can use the drag and drop feature. For example, I want to edit, so I can just edit this exact text here from here. Let's say I want to remove friends, and I just want to write here family. Pretty easy to do. Now let's say I just want to move this part, and I want to change the fonts here, change the color, right? Let's say I want to put it red. So you have to first of all select the entire text, and then you can just move it. Now you can change the color from here, right? So this is how it's work, and this is pretty much easy. Now you can just, there's a lot of things, right? You want to check in the dark mode, right? Light mode. Now the width. Now if you know what is a UI and UX, so you will pretty much easily you will able to do this, right? Now here you can change the corner radius, and there's a lot of stuff which you can do it, right? Now once you're okay with it, you can preview that how it's look, and there's a target. So you can just write here, if you want to replicate it, you can just go and click on clone. And you can see here in the bottom you will able to clone this part, right? Now if I want to add, so I can add a different thing here. Let's say survey, so this is how it's look. Now I want to put a corner radius. Now you can see here, this is how I can add it, right? Now I can shift between the flow 1 to flow 2. I mean, obviously you can just rename it something else, but here you can change the flow, which is pretty easy to do from here. Now in the bottom left side corner, you can see here it will take you to the Appcues dashboard, a language debugger, and you can easily sign up from here. Now you can delete it from the top right. On the top right, you can save this step as a template, or if you have a template, you made it somewhere else on a different software, you can just load it from here. Now let's say you're done with it, you can just go and click on target and publish. Now this is how it will look. Now you have to change all this information. So these tools ensure your onboarding experience is both visually appealing and highly functional. Now personalization is a key to creating impactful onboarding experience. Now here you can just make sure you can write here message to whom you're targeting, and you can set it here. Now the audience segment is really matter, because once you go to the audience section and create a segment based on criteria like location, behavior, and subscription status. Apply targeting rules to ensure flow are shown only to relevant users. Use the preview feature to see how different segment experience your flow. Right? So you can set here, click on create goal, and you can set a create goal, right? You can change the flow, you can change and you can add and target, and there's a lot of things which you can do it here. Because these tools ensures onboarding is tailored to each user need, informed engagement and retention. Finally, Epicures provide you powerful analytics tool which is called Matrix. Now here you can select the target. You can make a target. Let's say I want to create a one target, which you can obviously do it from the audience segment here. So let's say I want to create a segment. I will just go to the audience, then go to segment. Now create a segment. On the top right side corner, you can just create a segment here. Let's say this is a test one. Now description, let's say this is regarding only location, right? So I'll just write your location. You can write your description in a well manner. Now here you can set you can set a conditions now depending upon audience targeting, right? That if this audience is from this location, then show this, and if you don't want to show this, you can just put it in a if and that or whatever conditions from here. Now you can click on show users. Now if you obviously once you connect your mobile application or website, the users will be shown here, right? So pretty much easy. Now this is an event explorer. Now there's a lot more feature you can do. You can track metrics, you can monitor completion rates, drop off points, and user interaction. Use heat maps to pinpoint where users struggle or abandon flow. Make data driven engagement to improve clarity and engagement. Use built-in surveys to collect user insight and refine your approach. These insights help you continuously improve your onboarding experience and achieve better result. There you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to creating amazing user onboarding experience with Appcues. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.